Choo-choo. Choo-choo TV.
Vegetables. Let's learn vegetables name in English. Onion, onion. Tomato, tomato. Brinjal, brinjal. Cabbage, cabbage. Carrot, carrot. Capsicum, capsicum. Potato, potato. Pumpkin, pumpkin. Lady's finger, lady's finger. Ginger, ginger. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye bye kids.